Okay, today we will learn about logarithmic form. Logarithmic form can be derived from exponent form. If exponent form is a to the power of m equals with n, we will have, in logarithmic form, we will have log base a, the base is a, of n equals with m. Now if you take a look at this, the base is a, and then we have m, answer n, and then we have m. Okay, that's the form. Now if we write another one, let's say we have, let's make 5 square equals with 25. Now in logarithmic form we will have log, the base is 5, log base 5 of 25 equals with 2. Now if we make equation out of this, we will have, let's say we have 3 to the power of x equals with 3 to the power of x equals with 15. What is 3 to the power of x equals with 15? If we change it into log form, we will have log, once again the base is 3, and then of 15, log base 3 of 15 equals with x. Now if we hit it in our calculator, let's give me a second, log 3 15, if we hit it in our calculator, our answer x approximately equals with 2.465. Okay, so if we hit it again, if we check it, 3 to the power of 2.465, the answer will be approximately 15. Okay, that is log. But what happens if I cannot calculate using my calculator doesn't have this system. My calculator doesn't have that system. What we can do is we can use another way. Instead of calculating this way, we can calculate. Once again, if your calculator doesn't support this here, we can always use log 15 divided by divided by log, what is our base? 3. Now this one should be equals with 2.465. That is how to calculate. Now example for you, please calculate it using your own calculator. Number 1, let's say if we have 2 to the power of x equals with 8, this one surely the answer is 3, but just try it first. The second was, let's say we have 5 to the power of x equals with 20, and then third one, let's say 10 to the power of x equals with 90. Okay, you may pause this video and then do it first. Okay, assuming that you've done this, if we calculate it together, once again in log form, this one will give us log, the base is 2 of 8 equals with, if we hit it in our calculator, log the base 2 of 8 equals with the answer should be 3, because we know 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And then once again, just to remind you, if your calculator doesn't have this system, you can always use log 8 divided by log 2. It should be the same answer over there. Now let's erase this again. Continue with the second question. In log form, we will have log the base is 5 of 20 equals with x. So if we calculate it, log the base is 5 of 20 equals with 1.86. Okay, so we can say that over here, let's say x equals with 3. Over here, x equals with 1.86. I'm out of space over there. You got here x, and then this one in log form we will have log. Once again, the base is 10 of 90 equals with base 10 90. Wait. 90 equals with 1.95. So we can say that x approximately or equals to 1.95. I also out of space. Okay, that's it for log base. Oh yeah, before we finish, once again, a logarithmic is base of 10. A logarithmic is base of 10. For example, if I have 10 to the power of x equals with 50, there are two ways to calculate this. The first way is just write as usual log the base is 10 of 50 equals with x, or you can just write log 50 equals with x, because all of the logarithmic is base of 10 if default. So if you have, take a look at this one is empty. I'm not writing anything here, but the calculator will write it as 10. Okay, we cannot do the same thing with 2. For example, if we have 2 to the power of x equals with 5, you cannot just write log 5 equals with no, cannot. You have to write 2 over here, because the base of log once again is 10, not 2. If it is other than 10, you have to write it down. Okay, now just one question before we finish. Let's say we have 10 to the power of x equals with 35. Let's hit together log base of 10, 35, and then that's the first method. The second method, log 35. What is the answer? Okay, you may pause this video. Okay, assuming that you have done it, your log base 1035 should give you 1.544, and then this one also give you 1.544. Okay, so once again, if base is 10, you don't have to write it. That's okay. That's all for today. If you have any question, let me know through sinowmath@gmail.com.